Hello.
Hi,
Good afternoon.
good afternoon, Teacher Isaac.
What's your name?
My name is Shah.
How old are you?
I'm 6 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Where do you live?
I live in Puri Haram.
Okay, are you ready?
Jet,
Great. Start number one.
Ram, Jam, Jam, Dam,
Slow down.
B, B,
D-A.
B, A, N,
Okay. What is this?
Lead, Teeth, Sheep, Read,
Spell sick.
S, I, N,
No, sick. S.
S, I,
Okay. This.
Jet, Net, Wet, Pet,
Can you spell pet?
P, A, P, E,
P-E-T.
T, Hand, Pant, Red, Bear,
Bed.
Pet,
Spell pen.
P, E, N, Wig,
Web.
Whip, Ed, Vet, Tent,
Spell vet.
V, E, T,
Spell ten.
T, E, N, Bat, Rat, Hat,
How do you spell hat?
S, I, E,
H-A.
S, I, T,
Spell bat.
B, E, T,
No.
P, I,
Okay, let's move on.
Fan, Man, Pen, Can,
Can you spell fan?
F, A, N,
Good.
Cat, Mat, Nat, Tap,
Spell tap.
T, E, T,
T-A.
A,
Okay, come on.
Hit, Ink, Cheat, Ink,
Good.
a man with a van is as a Jordan.
Okay.
He had a fan, a can, and a jam. The ants with
One.
what the jams. The man put jam on the jam for the ants.
Well done, Sam. Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.